How to make a stretching radial twirl transition. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline, and I want to create a radial twirl transition between them. First, go to Effects panel and search for Iris Round. Drag and drop Iris Round effect into between your videos. Then select the transition and go to Effect Controls and make sure the alignment is set to Center at Cut and set duration to 20 frames. Now in Effects panel, search for Twirl Effect and add it to the first video. With the first video selected, go to Effect Controls panel and move the play head at the beginning of the transition. Now hold down the Shift key and press left arrow key to backward 5 frames and click on the stopwatch next to Angle property to create a starting keyframe. Then move the play head to the end of transition and set the angle to 500 degrees. Now we have the radial twirl. Let's add a zoom effect too. Click on this triangle to go to the first keyframe. Then click on stopwatch next to scale to create a starting keyframe. Click on another triangle to go to the next keyframe, and set scale to 300. Now our transition is much better. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.